we have to find the equation of the plane with intercepts given 3, -4 and 6 on x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Now, equation of a plane in intercept form is given by x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. Now, given a is equal to 3, b is equal to negative of 4 and c is equal to 6. Substituting leaves of a, b and c in equation 1, we get x upon 3 plus y upon negative of 4 plus z upon 6 is equal to 1. Now, to this we can write it x upon 3 minus y upon 4 plus z upon 6 is equal to 1, or taking LCM 4x minus 3y plus 2z plus 2z is equal to 12. Hence, required equation of plane is 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 12. Answer.